So, you've accidentally deleted some important messages. Don't worry, we'll go through the various methods that might help you recover those lost Messenger messages. The first thing to check is your archived chats. Sometimes, messages are archived instead of deleted. Go to your Messenger settings and look for archived chats or a similar option. Next, let's check your notification settings. If you have notifications turned on, you might still be able to see a preview of the deleted message in your notification history. Consider checking your email. Messenger sometimes sends email notifications for new messages, and if those messages were sent before deletion, you might still find them in your inbox. If the above methods fail, you can try requesting a copy of your Facebook information. You can access this feature in your Facebook settings under Your Information. Within the Your Information section, you can request a download of your information. This might include your Messenger data, including deleted messages. The process can take some time. Once the file is ready, look for the specific messages or conversations. However, recovery isn't always guaranteed. Good luck.